In this video, I will be sharing with you 45 plus careers that you can pursue with your LLB degree in South Africa.
Now listen, daughter, pay attention, pray and listen, hear your father.
Please take note that the LLB degree is the minimum requirement for these jobs. So I won't keep on, mentioning that you need an LLB for this. Just know that for all these jobs, you do need an LLB. And if I mention additional requirements, those will be requirements in addition to the LLB degree. So I just thought I'd clear that out and then let's get into things. Career path number 1, and that is being an attorney. You need to write your board exams, pass all 4 board exams, and complete your articles of clerkship. Then you will be admitted as an attorney of the High Court of South Africa. Career number 2, and that is being an advocate. So you will need to write your bar exams and then complete your pupillage, and then you can be an advocate in South Africa. Career path number 3, and that is being a prosecutor. Now, to be a prosecutor, you need to be enrolled into a program that is administered by the National Prosecuting Authority, and it is called the Aspirant Prosecutor Program. Once you have finished that program, you will be a prosecutor. Career number 4, and that is legal advisor. All you need is your LLB degree to be a legal advisor. So with your LLB degree and little to no experience, you will most likely be a junior legal advisor. And then to be a senior legal advisor, you're going to need a little bit of more experience and some speciality in an area of law. So if you have practiced for a while and now you want to jump into corporate to be a legal advisor, it's going to be easier for you to apply for more senior roles if you have extensive experience in an area of law. Number 5, and that is legal researcher. Now, you need exceptionally good research skills. I must say that I have not seen quite a lot of vacancies requiring legal researchers, but let me tell you, there is such a huge need in practice for legal researchers. You can pursue this career on a freelance basis in addition to any other thing that you're doing in the legal field, and you can conduct extensive research for advocates because they need that a lot, for attorneys as well, for law students, for people who are doing their doctorates, masters, whatever. But on a freelance basis, I really do see a gap for legal researchers, so you might consider that on a freelance basis. Number 6 is a legal analyst. Number 7 is a corporate governance specialist, and in addition to your LLB degree, you are going to need a postgraduate qualification in governance recognized by the Chartered Governance Institute of South Africa. Number 8 is a legal journalist. In addition to your LLB degree, you will need a journalism certificate or qualification. Number 9 is a human rights activist. Number 10, compliance officer. Now, you will need a certificate that is recognized by the Compliance Institute of Southern Africa, that is CISA. Number 11, conveyancer. In order to be a conveyancer, you need to be admitted as an attorney first. Thereafter, you will be able to take a course in conveyancing that is administered by the Law Society or the Legal Practice Council, and then after that course has been finished, you will write your exams and then you will be admitted as a conveyancer. Number 12, notary. Same with conveyancer, you will have to be admitted as an attorney first, and then you can write your notarial exams. After passing, then you can be admitted as a notary public. Number 13, that is legal assistant. Number 14, state legal advisor. Number 15, master of the High Court. Now, you can't just go from LLB degree to being a master. You're going to have to go through certain stages for you to get to being a master because you need that experience. So you're going to start by being an estate controller, then being a assistant master, then a deputy master, then a master. Now you can move to being a chief master. Number 16, a magistrate. Now, there are no other educational requirements for being a magistrate except your LLB degree, but magistrates are usually chosen from senior prosecutors, senior attorneys, senior advocates. Those are people with like loads and loads and loads of experience. But as for educational requirements, your LLB degree is the only requirement there, same as being a judge, and that is number 17, being a judge. And there are no other educational requirements. You just need your LLB degree and obviously a lot of experience. So if you're looking to get into that field, just research the best possible way that you can get into being a judge or a magistrate. Number 18, and that is a commissioner or arbitrator for the CCMA. Number 19, a public protector. Now, there are no additional educational requirements, just your LLB degree, but you need extensive experience in that the job requirements state that you need to be an attorney or an advocate who has been practicing for more than 10 years. You need to have specialized knowledge on certain areas of law, but as for educational requirements, your LLB degree is what you need. Number 20, you can be a Human Rights Commission employee. So that is you working at the Human Rights Commission. So check out their website and see the available vacancies that they do have. Number 21, a legal academic. So this includes your professors, your lecturers, and your tutors. Number 22, international organization employee. So this includes organizations such as Africa Legal Aid or the United Nations, UNICEF. You can get into those organizations with just your LLB from South Africa. Number 23, a solicitor. This was previously called the Office of the Chief Litigation Officer. So when you go onto the DOJ website, the Department of Justice website, you can find the Office of the Solicitor General and you can apply for vacancies there. Number 24, that is a case manager. Number 25, it is a legal secretary. Number 26 is a legislator. I know a lot of people don't know about this. I mean, I also didn't know about this until I started doing research for this video. And you can go onto I will leave the link in the description box. But if you go onto our Parliament website, and that is parliament.gov.za, you can find vacancies for parliamentary jobs. I had no idea that you could actually like just hop on into the Parliament, but you actually can. So look into that if being a legislator is something that would interest you. Number 27, a legal administrative officer. Number 28, a court specialist. Number 29, a court operations manager. But this is more of a senior role. You're going to need experience to get to that point of being a court operations manager. You can't just hop in with your LLB degree. You will need experience, although there are no other educational requirements for this role. Number 30, a maintenance officer or a maintenance investigator. These are two different roles, so that'll be 30 and 31. Number 32, a claims assessor. Number 33, a claims specialist. Now, with a claim assessor and a claim specialist, you just need your LLB degree. There are no other additional educational requirements, and these are in the insurance space. So you can look into that if you're trying to move your legal career to corporate. You can look into insurance as well. There's quite a number of roles in that sector for LLB degree holders. Number 34, a tax consultant. Number 35, a contract drafter. What I love about this is that you can pursue this on a freelance basis. It is so flexible in a sense that you don't have to be physically present with your client in order to draft their contract. So it doesn't matter where you are, you can still draft people's contracts and just send them through. So I love the flexibility that being able to draft contracts will bring for you. It's such a good additional way of making money, especially when you have the know-how, when you've got the skills. I definitely say add contract drafting to whatever it is that you're doing. Number 37, you can work at the sheriff's offices. Number 38, you can be a legal inspector, or some people call it a compliance inspector, but legal inspector, compliance inspector is essentially the same thing. Number 39, you can be an editor, a case law summarizer. Now, those people are super important in practice, in a sense that we all know that summaries are super important. As an LLB graduate, you know how important case summaries are, because judgments can be quite lengthy and difficult to understand. So people who can summarize that for us, those are stars. We need them. So number 39 is a case law summarizer. Number 40 is a foreclosure consultant. Number 41, a state attorney. Number 42, a state advocate. Number 43, a registrar. Number 44, a clerk. There is a difference between a registrar and a clerk, and the big noticeable difference is that the clerk is in the lower court, that is the district side of the magistrate court, and then the registrar is in the regional court and the high courts. Number 45, that is a judge's clerk. And that is it. I sincerely hope that you learned from this video, and I just want to add to everything and just say that do your research. You need to be informed about where it is that you're going in terms of your career and what that route entails. So make sure that you do your research and that you open up your horizons by exploring career paths that are not really like famous or well known. For example, I didn't know that certain jobs or careers existed. I didn't know that you could do certain things with your LLB degree until I did research for this video. So don't just look at where everyone is going. Make sure that you explore even those careers that are not so famous. All right, and I wish you the best of luck with your legal career. I pray and I hope that you will do well beyond your wildest expectation. Now, until my next video, I'm sending you tons of love and light. Bye.